automatically reply to YouTube video comments using OpenAI. So this automation is going to be very interesting for all YouTubers here, because here I'm going to teach you that whenever you receive a new comment on any specific video of your channel, how you can automatically generate a random reply or a content using this software, and we are going to send the same content as a reply to the comment of the video which you have just received. And using this automation, you can start replying to the comment of your subscribers, that too without doing anything manually. And I'm going to do this with the help of an automation software by connecting YouTube and OpenAI. Well, what is OpenAI and how does it work, I'm going to tell you in the video. So just come to my screen and follow the instructions till end. So this is the website of that automation software Pabbly Connect, using which I'm going to connect to YouTube and OpenAI application, and this is the URL pabbly.com/connect. I will also attach this link in my description box. Now first, create your free account from this button. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, that is why I am clicking on sign in, then I will click on access now. Now let me tell you that in the free account of Pabbly Connect, you will also get free tasks to test such type of automation, that too every month. I have reached to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Click on this button, create workflow, and enter workflow name here. So just provide a random name to your workflow. I am providing auto reply to YouTube comments via OpenAI. Click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you, trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Understand with an example. Whenever a sale happens in a payment gateway application, send an email via Gmail application. According to our use case, whenever a new comment is arrived in YouTube application, send a reply. Basically generate a reply using OpenAI application, and then again send a reply using YouTube application once again. So basically we need to always select the application in which we are setting up an automation. And here, since we are creating an automation in between YouTube and OpenAI, that is why I have selected the same. And in the trigger event, I am going to select whenever a new comment is arrived on our channel. Now basically I am going to connect to my YouTube channel with the Pabbly Connect, so that all the comment data first can be fetched here in Pabbly Connect. Provide the access of your channel from here, and do not worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Okay, click on continue. And you can see the authorization is successful. First, it is asking for the channel name. Well, it has already selected, and let me even show you my channel name. It is the same, Pabbly. Coming back here, now it is asking for the maximum results. Read the instruction. The max result parameter specifies the maximum number of items that should be returned in the result set. Okay, and the acceptable values are in between 1 to 100. So basically we have selected the trigger event as new comment on our channel. So the result set will be, of course, the comments data only, and here we have to specify that what maximum number of items can be returned at the time. Basically what number of comment can be returned at the time. So how about I write it 20. Let's say lot of people are actually commenting on your videos at a time, so I have provide a maximum result for that. Now I will click on this button, but what will happen if I will click on this button? Let me tell you that the most recent comment which I have received on my channel will be fetched up automatically here in the Pabbly Connect. So how about I open a new video here and will post a comment as a subscriber on any of my video. Alright, so this is the video I have opened. The name of the video, the title of the video is how to contact Pabbly Connect team, and here I am going to post a comment as a subscriber. So this is the comment section. So I am adding this comment as great video indeed. I really love your content. Can you also provide the support at night as well? So this is the comment the subscriber is posting on your video. Let me click on this button. All right, Now this is the most recent comment which we have received on my channel. Now finally I'm going to click on this button and you will see that the most recent data will be arrived here. You can see the response is received, and let me even show you the details one by one. This is the ID, this is the video ID, all right, and this is the comment snippet. Okay, let me even show you by maximizing it. Okay, great video indeed. I really love your content. Can you also provide the support at night as well? And this is the author, Pabbly. Well, I have commented as Pabbly user only, that is why it is showing author as this only, and here are the further details. So finally I have received the data of YouTube comment here. Now moving further, I want to automatically reply to this particular comment so that I do not have to do anything manually. So firstly, I am going to generate a random reply using the OpenAI software. Now you must be thinking that what is this OpenAI software is all about and how we are able to generate the random content with this particular software. So firstly, I'll have to select this action event, generate content, and click on connect, click on add new connection. And for connecting this account with Pabbly Connect, it is asking for the tokens, so you can visit this link directly, and if you're logged into your OpenAI account, it will take you directly to that section, and this is the token, basically the secret key. I am going to copy this and will come back to Pabbly Connect and will paste it here and click on save, and this is how your account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking you the following details, but before I fill this data, let me show you the OpenAPI software. So go to your browser and type openai.com and press enter, and this is how you can reach to the website of OpenAI. Click on this API section, and with this particular software you can actually build a different kind of application using its powerful modules, basically using the artificial technology. And here I am going to use the content generation part of this OpenAI software and create your free account from this button. I am already logged into this software. This is the dashboard. Welcome to OpenAI. Start with the basics, and you can actually see these tutorials. Well, here you will have to click on this playground section for exploring its content creation part. Okay, and as the name suggests, playground, it is actually very interesting. We're going to play with the content. Let me even show you how. Read here, write a tagline for an ice cream shop. So how about I provide some instruction to this particular box. So here I am going to write few instructions in the first line of this box, and how about I write it as write a story on a dog. Let me write this particular line and press enter, and here I will click on submit, and you will see the magic. It will start writing the story on the dog immediately, that too automatically. And you can even read this story, a very interesting story. Once upon a time there was a dog. The dog was very loyal and always stuck by its owner's side. However, one day the dog's owners died and the dog was left all alone. You can see a very interesting story it has created. Now you must be thinking that why it has created a very small, very short story. Why not it has created a long story? Because here are the settings which I have provided specifically to this particular section. You can see I have clearly mentioned that I want the character of 256 only. That is why the system has made its story within the 256 character. So from this right side, you can actually do the basic settings for your content. So first thing, it is asking for the model. You can see various models has been provided here, basically with the help of which particular model you would like to generate the content. You can see instructions are also given here. So based on your choice, you can select one particular model. I am going to select this Vinci002 because this is the most capable model in the GPT-3 series. Okay, so I have selected the same. The second thing is the temperature. Read the instructions once again. Controls randomness, so lowering results in less random completions. Okay, as the temperature approaches to 0, the model will become deterministic and the repetitive. So this is how, based on these instructions, you can actually set the temperature value. If you want more random content, content, you can increase this particular value. For now I have kept 0.7. Asking for the maximum length, well, you can keep the content length as per your requirement. And further it is asking for the stop sequences. Enter sequence and press tab. Up to 4 sequences where the API will stop generating the further token. So basically you will have to provide few icons, and on seeing that particular icon, the system will stop generating the content. So here I am going to write, let's say, double slash, okay, 2 slash and 2 hash, okay, and now I'll have to click on this add, and this is the stop sequence. And when I will apply this particular stop sequence, the system will stop generating the new content. Now there are few more settings available here. The frequency penalty, basically it will decreases the chances of repeating the same line of your content. Presence penalty, well, it is actually increases the model's likelihood to talk about the new topics. So this is how you can actually do the conditions as per your choice. Now coming back to Pabbly Connect, because you have already understood that what is this application all about and how you can generate a new content here. This time I have provided the prompt as write a story on a doc. Yes, whatever the instruction you are giving here, whatever the command you are giving here, that is called as prompt here. What is that? Prompt, prompt. Now I'm going to delete this, and how about I give one more instruction, one more prompt here. Okay, write a blog on makeup tutorials. All right, makeup tutorials. How about I increase this particular length? This time I have provided 838. Click on submit and wait for it. Well, I forgot to delete this previous content. Let me first undo the last one. Okay, let me delete it first. And I am going to click on submit once again. And you can see it has already started writing the blog. There is no better way to learn about makeup than by following this. Well, it is really very fast. I am not even able to read it. All right. So this is it. It has provided me a nice blog, that too under the 838 character. So this is how you can actually play with the content with the playground of OpenAPI. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and now finally you have understand the working of OpenAPI. You can now simply fill these fields and actually generate a random content, basically a random reply for your comments. How about I write it here as write a professional reply of the comment. Okay, and here I'm going to provide a comment content. Okay, great video, I really like your content, and here I will provide my stop sequence, which is this slash and double hash. Okay, now I will click on this button submit, and you will see it has provided a professional reply of the comment, which is thank you for your kind words, we are glad you enjoy our content and appreciate your support. So this is how this particular section is going to generate random replies, random content for my YouTube videos. So coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here it is asking for the AI model. Well, remember I have just told you that you need to select the model via which you would like to generate the content. Well, I want to select this Vinci002 only. Now it is asking for the prompt. Well, please make sure you are entering the prompt properly, and you can even check the supported prompt formats here. So coming back here, and you can see just like I have provided a prompt here and then provided a content here, in the same way I am going to provide a prompt here. So how about I provide the same exact prompt here also. Okay, write a professional reply to the comment. Here I have provided this prompt. Okay, full stop, press enter, and here finally I am going to provide a comment of the YouTube channel which the subscriber has made. And in place of writing the comment manually, remember we have received the response of comment in the above window. I am going to map the same. You can even read here, insert data from previous step. So whatever the data we have captured in the last step is visible here, and I am going to map the comment from here only. This is the original content, original comment. Great video indeed. I really love your content. Can you also provide the support at night time as well? Okay, this was the comment which is asking for the maximum token. So I do not want to increase the comment length more than 256, so I am providing the same. Well, default value here is also of 256 characters only, 250 tokens only. Moving further, it is asking for the sampling type. So again, remember, we have provided the temperature value here, and we have even provided the top value. Well, these are the same values. You can actually select the same as per your choice. For now, I am keeping it as temperature sampling only. Now it is asking for the sampling value, presence penalty, frequency penalty, stop, sequence. Well, these are the same settings which we have discussed in our OpenAI.com application. So I am going to leave these fields blank, and it will take the default value automatically. And finally, I am going to click on this button, and you will see a random reply for my comment will be generated automatically. You can see the responses received, and let me even show you the details. Here is the ID, here is the object, the text completion, here is the model name, and finally in this choices 0 text, I have received the reply for the same. Thank you for the kind words. We do our best to provide support during the day, but unfortunately cannot provide the support at night. So remember, I have posted a comment as a subscriber that please provide, can you also provide the support at night as well? And as the reply of that comment, the content the system has generated is actually the same. Unfortunately, cannot provide the support at night. So this is how the random contents will be automatically generated using this OpenAI application. So the second step of an integration is also done. The first step was actually the fetching of YouTube comment. Finally, I am going to reply to my content via the content which I have just received from this particular step. Okay, so in the action step, again choose for YouTube, and in the action event, this time I am going to select as, let me search for the same, reply to the comment. Okay, click on connect. This time I'm going to select this existing connection, click on save, and again your YouTube channel is connected. Well, it is asking for the reply text. We have just received the text, and I am going to map the same content here only. This is the content, choices 0 text. Let me map the same here. Click on this field and you will find the above data here. Where is the choice 0 text? Here it is. Thank you for the kind words. I have mapped it, and whatever the values I am mapping here will be replaced, will be changed automatically as soon as a new comment will arrive on my video on my channel. It is asking for the comment ID. So here is the comment ID. I'm going to map the same from here. Where is the comment ID? You can see this is the ID. So I have mapped it. Finally going to click on this button, save and send test request. But before that, let me open my YouTube and let me open the comment section, because I want to see whether on clicking on this button I'm actually getting any replies or not. Alright. So coming back to Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response. Well, the response is also received, and you can see it is clearly showing that the response has been sent. The author name was actually Pabbly. Going back to my YouTube video, and let me refresh it and let me check whether the same reply has been posted to this particular comment or not. Fingers crossed. Alright. Well, yes, you can see the automated reply, the same reply which we have created with the help of OpenAI application has been posted automatically here. Thank you for the kind words. We do our best to provide support during the day, but unfortunately cannot provide the support at night. Well, it is very interesting, and this is how you can automate the replying section of your YouTube with the Pabbly Connect with the help of this automation. And once you will create this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you do not have to do anything manually. as soon as the new comment will arrive on your specific channel, the content will be generated, the reply will be generated and will be posted also via YouTube only. And in case you want to clone this whole setup, whole workflow into your account, I will attach the workflow link in my description box from where you can do the same, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.